Welcome to Managing the Design and Construction Process of Integrated Project Delivery Systems. My name is Sally Hambright-Belue, and I'm an assistant professor in the School of Architecture.
And I am Shima Clark, and I am a professor in the Department of Construction Science and Management. The Integrated Project Delivery Certificate is a project delivery approach that integrates people, systems, business structures, and practices into a process that collaboratively harnesses the talents and thoughts of all participants to optimize results, increase value to the owner, reduce waste, and maximize efficiency through all phases of design, fabrication, and construction. The use of this project delivery method is becoming widely used, and there's a need to teach the principles of the method. Participants can be degree-seeking graduate students or non-degree seeking professionals. Courses can also be taken singularly without pursuing the certificate. The certificate is composed of the following 12 credits. ARCH 8330, CSM 8330. This course is the fundamentals of integrated project delivery systems. It is 3 credit hours. The second course is 8340, which is team building, communications, and collaborations for integrated project delivery systems. It also is 3 credit hours. The third, 8350, is integrated project delivery case studies. Also 3 credit hours. And then the last is managing integrated project delivery, also 3 credit hours. For 8360, managing the integrated project delivery, students in this course will research, analyze, and select various design and construction management processes related to IPD. Students will learn to set project goals, develop ethical guidelines, and use new techniques to develop collaborative work environments, implementing client-oriented design and construction services. The course objectives are as follows. Students will be expected to establish meaningful project goals as they relate to design and construction processes inherent in IPD systems. Develop a comprehensive integrated project delivery proposal, establish professional and ethical practices within IPD system, apply innovative digital and web-based working environments to facilitate collaborative building design and construction solutions. Students will also develop and implement a package of design and construction services specific to clients' needs using the most appropriate IPD system.
So the class mode of presentation will be all online and asynchronous. There are going to be a number of lectures. They're going to be quite short that will be available online for you to watch. You will also be working in groups to learn on projects, so you will have interdisciplinary collaborative groups. Projects are generally going to emphasize collaborative and cooperative learning, allowing personal intellectual development as well as content learning. The instructors get students going on projects, and we will be hands-on as resources for scheduled meetings as you need us, so please let us know when you do need to meet or chat. And then the responsibility for learning will be placed on the students as you are graduate students. In terms of the grading of assignments, there are going to be a number of written assignments as well as discussions. Those are going to be worth 50% of your grade. And then there are going to be 2 projects. Each of those will be worth 25% of your grade. So one of the most important techniques that we will use is the online discussions. And so the expectations for these, it's really important that you understand what we expect of you. So first, you should make your original post during the first 2 days of the discussion period. And if you will look at the course calendar, it is basically laid out exactly how you should do this. There will be a little block that says initial responses due. That's going to leave 2 days for you to reply to your classmates. You should make it sincere and engaging comments to a peer at least 4 times during the discussion period and on 2 separate days. So this means that if you make an initial post on the first 2 days, one of those, and then you have 2 days for replies and you must respond on 2 of those, that means you're going to be active 3 out of those 4 days. You should engage throughout the week's discussion and not merely on one day of the discussion period. This will impact your grade if you do not participate the entire time. We will review and add follow-up questions based on the discussion by the following Monday. So over the weekend, we will review those from Friday to Monday. And then students should use the next 2 days to respond thoughtfully. I would really encourage you to make sure that you look at the course calendar. We've taken a lot of time to make sure that it's set up and very specific on what has to happen. And then you should also really look at the grading rubrics for the discussion so you can see how you're going to be graded. The Ask a Question discussion is a discussion that is going to be going on all semester long. So anytime that you have a general question about the course, please post it there. That's going to be really helpful for us making sure that everyone sees all the answers to any question that anyone might have so that everyone's on the same page. In terms of projects 1 and 2, those are going to be collaborative groups. We are going to focus on the IPD process and not necessarily the deliverables like you might focus on in your other classes and in your architecture studios or in your construction science and management courses. We're really going to focus on the process and how you use the IPD process. If you do have questions regarding these projects, you should post those to the RFIs. You'll see those as well. It'll be Project 1 RFIs. That's going to be really helpful for us so that, again, if everyone can see the responses to those questions regarding the Projects 1 and 2, then everyone's on the same page. In order to present Projects 1 and 2, you're going to submit videos as well as a PDF of the finished work, and we will be getting you some information about the videos to help you, to assist you in making those. And then you're also going to be assessing yourselves and the other teams in a written assessment and critique, so you should just be prepared to do that. And finally, welcome to the class. We're happy to have you.